Ceruloplasmin is a peroxidase enzyme that in humans is encoded by the CP gene. Ceruloplasmin is the major copper-carrying protein in the blood, and in addition plays a role in iron metabolism. It was first described in 1948. Another protein, hephaestin, is noted for its homology to ceruloplasmin, and also participates in iron and probably copper metabolism. Function: ceruloplasmin is an enzyme synthesized in the liver containing 6 atoms of copper in its structure. Ceruloplasmin carries more than 95% of the total copper in healthy human plasma. The rest is accounted for by macroglobulins. Ceruloplasmin exhibits a copper-dependent oxidase activity, which is associated with possible oxidation of Fe2+ into Fe3+, therefore assisting in its transport in the plasma in association with transferrin, which can carry iron only in the ferric state. The molecular weight of human ceruloplasmin is reported to be 151 kDa. Regulation: a regulatory element called a gate element is involved in the selective translation or silencing of the ceruloplasmin transcript. The silencing requires binding of a cytosolic inhibitor complex called IFN-gamma activated inhibitor of translation to the gate element. Clinical significance: like any other plasma protein, levels drop in patients with hepatic disease due to reduced synthesizing capabilities. Mechanisms of low ceruloplasmin levels: gene expression genetically low, copper levels are low in general, malnutrition, trace metal deficiency in the food source. Copper does not cross the intestinal barrier due to ATP7A deficiency. Delivery of copper into the lumen of the Golgi network is absent in hepatocytes due to absent ATP7B. Copper availability doesn't affect the translation of the nascent protein. However, the apoenzyme without copper is unstable. Ceruloplasmin is largely degraded intracellularly in the hepatocyte, and the small amount that is released has a short circulation half-life of 5 hours as compared to the 5.5 days for the hollow ceruloplasmin. Mutations in the ceruloplasmin gene, which are very rare, can lead to the genetic disease of ceruloplasminemia, characterized by hyperferritinemia with iron overload. In the brain, this iron overload may lead to characteristic neurologic signs and symptoms, such as cerebellar ataxia, progressive dementia, and extrapyramidal signs. Excess iron may also deposit in the liver, pancreas, and retina, leading to cirrhosis, endocrine abnormalities, and loss of vision, respectively. Deficiency lower than normal ceruloplasmin levels may indicate the following: Wilson disease, copper storage disease, Lentz disease, overdose of vitamin C, copper deficiency, ceruloplasminemia. Excess greater than normal ceruloplasmin levels may indicate or be noticed in copper toxicity/zinc deficiency, pregnancy, oral contraceptive pill use, lymphoma, acute and chronic inflammation, rheumatoid arthritis, angina, Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder. Reference ranges References. Further reading. External links: Gene Reviews, NIH UW entry on the ceruloplasminemia, OMIM entries on the ceruloplasminemia,